So in this video, I'm gonna go over how to teach your child to put socks on by themselves. Specifically, I'm gonna give you some tips on what types of socks are easiest for your child to learn from, as well as what position they should be in, and last, what the specific steps are to teach your child so they can successfully do it by themselves. And so you'll want to pick a sock that's easiest for your child to learn from. So you'll want to pick a sock that has these three qualities. The first is that it's ankle high. The second is that it's a loose fit, so not one that's too snug, but one that's easily stretchable. And then last and most important, you'll want to make sure that there's a picture that's on the front of the sock that is not on the back of the sock. And that's key because your child will use this to know that they've properly oriented the sock on their foot. And so these are the 5 steps to teaching your child how to put socks on. The first step will be to have them open the sock. And the key to this is that their thumb is on the inside of the sock and their fingertips are on the outside of the sock when opening. So you'll tell them, open sock, over toes, find top, and ensure here that the thumb is on the inside between the foot and the sock and the fingertips are on the outside, and then pull up. Last, you'll have your child look down to make sure that they see the picture on the front to know that they've properly oriented the sock. So I'm going to show that one more time with just the verbal prompts. Open sock, over toes, find top, pull up, look down. And so if your child is having a hard time with being able to put socks on their own body, you can always have them practice putting socks on over one of their dolls or favorite stuffed animals. So those are my steps as well as tips on how to teach your child to put socks on by themselves. Thanks for watching my video.